It's the first day of school for many infant and primary school children across the island. Teachers, parents and guardians are hailing the Ministry of Education and welcoming students who they haven't seen at classes in months. Jamila Maitland visited a few schools in the corporate area.
Children scurrying to classes for their first face-to-face interaction with their teachers and peers in months, but not before having their temperatures checked, their hands sanitized and their masks properly positioned. It's the new normal. At the Central Branch Infant and Primary School in Kingston, only certain grades were facilitated Monday morning in keeping with the COVID-19 guidelines. But that didn't stop parents from sending their children out anyways, according to Principal Michael Sutherland.
There is one grade 2 class that some children for today didn't come, but others came who are supposed to come tomorrow. We still accommodate them.
Alvin Howard, a parent, said he was so excited for his child to return to school that he didn't realize he should have returned on Tuesday. Mr. Howard revealed that the last time his son received formal education was in kindergarten. He's now in grade 2.
I feel so good, and some of them, don't have on uniform, and some of them have on uniform, and everybody try come out to come at school, and it's the best thing because it's so long at home, not doing nothing boring. So coming back to school, come learn now is a total different.
Parents explained that schools in these communities not only offer education, but a safe space for their children while they work. Over at the Trenchtown Primary School, the story was similar.
We know the students that we have here. The parents, really, they don't have a regular 9 to 5. They are out there where they have to go and look their own. They are really entrepreneurs. And most of them, they do peddling downtown. So if they don't go out, the kids don't eat. So with that, someone needs to be available to take care of their children. And I think we are the best one.
Several COVID-19 protocols have been implemented, from child-friendly social distancing markers to an isolation unit that the school hopes it never uses.
The hand washing stations appear to be one of the favorite places for children here at St. Annie's Primary School. It's one of the many protocols that have to be in place for the school to be selected for the resumption of face-to-face classes by the Ministries of Health and Education. Now, on the inside, learning is also in high gear. Teachers have gotten creative, turning regular desks and chairs into sneeze stations. There's also the mandatory wearing of masks, so children can return to the classroom safely.
I prayed day and night for this opportunity. It was not good. I had only 30 to 35% of my enrollment online, which is about 79 students on a daily basis, and my enrollment is 262 or 260, And on a daily basis, when teachers send in their attendance, it's like 5 out of 23 students being online. So it was really, really difficult for us.
Only grades 1 to 3 were facilitated Monday, while grades 4 to 6 will go to school on Tuesday. But not all schools were able to welcome students today, despite being given the green light from the Ministry of Health. Over at the Boys Town Primary and Infant School, Principal Sylvia Banks-Clare says work is still being done to get the school ready while online learning continues.
I'm looking that before weekend, we should be able to call back the Ministry of Health in so that we can get a clean bill of health.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.